Morning.
Good morning.
It is day before birthday.
It's birthday eve, yes.
Yeah. We've been dragging this birthday out, but we're having a barbecue today.
We are, yes. We do like a barbecue. We never get a chance to have them often. So, yeah, we're having a proper barbecue. We've got, obviously, burger sausages. But the exciting thing is, I get to use my smoker. I got some, wings, I guess? Kebabs, and I bought some wings from Costco.
Oh, yeah.
That I can put my smoker. What I love. So, yeah, we're going to do that today.
I'm just replying to all of your lovely comments, so thank you if you've left me and John a nice comment.
Absolutely, yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, we haven't looked at it for a couple of days, and there's loads of them.
There's lots of things, so I'm sorry if I've made you wait for a reply, but I'm doing it now.
Sorry about that, we've been busy the last couple of days, but yeah, they're lovely, so thank you so much.
I've woken up this morning with a stiff neck, and I don't know how I've done it. I must have slept yeah. Hopefully it'll stretch out.
Louis probably made you in a ball.
Yeah.
He likes to do that. He sort of gets in the bed and he sort of pushes you up in one corner. Yeah.
But he only does it to me.
He does.
John's like, and then I'm in a corner and Louis got stretched out.
Yes, so I'm going to do a bit of marinating now. We've got a couple of hours before everyone turns up. So yeah, do a bit of marinating. Have a coffee, get sorted, whatever there's a comment. That's about it really today. And then
we thought we'd bring you along for a nice chill barbecue. Hopefully it's chill.
Absolutely. Hopefully it stays dry. The sun's out at the moment and it's quite warm out, so hopefully it stays that way.
Okay, cool. Okay, we got these chicken skewers.
We have. They look amazing, don't they?
We got them from the meat man yesterday. Yesterday?
Yeah. Did you say?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, they look really good. We're going to marinate them with my seasoning, what I got.
Yeah.
Yeah, they look really, really good. He was really good, really reasonable as well, wasn't he?
Yeah. I haven't seen him.
And a couple other bits. Come on, what we got?
I haven't seen a meat man down south before. We have them a lot up north in the markets, but I hadn't seen one down south before, so it was fun to see him.
Do you want to?
Oh, he was good. Yeah, and he had loads of different things.
He was really good, yeah. Emma did say he was quieter than the one that was north side.
Yeah, because the ones in Manchester that I've seen, they're the auction people that are they kind of do that and then they just shout £5 or whatever. But he wasn't doing that. He was very calm.
He had the gift of the gab though.
Yeah.
He did. I mean, he could have sold anything to you.
John, he was John was picking up black pudding, all sorts.
Black pudding?
Yeah, but it was a whole log of it.
Yeah,
or whatever.
so we bought burgers, then kebabs, sausages, and further bits. But and he was saying, "Well, I'll give you this and this for them £10." Oh, I need that. And then we'll go, "We've got enough room in the freezer."
I was John, here's one barbecue.
Yeah, he was good though. We have to go back to see him again. He's there in the pub car park. In the van.
It's not just a man in the car park with some meat.
And he's there every week. Yeah. And it's quite local, so I don't know how we didn't know until now. But yeah, I think we use him a lot.
Yeah, it's good. Look at Louis.
I know. Worship, innit?
And there's the chicken.
So we were going to get from Costco. We went to Costco a couple of days ago. We were going to get all the meats, but
it's actually a better deal.
It's a lot better deal. A lot. I mean, 20 burgers from Costco.
20 quid.
Was 20 quid, and then we got 20 burgers, 20 sausages, and
the kebabs were 30.
Kebabs for £30. How good's that?
Bargain hunters.
I don't know how he's done it.
I was just picking out what rub to put on it.
Yeah, I got these. I had these for a while. All different rubs. What I love. I think we probably, Emma reckons we go for the Angus wings.
Because it's chicken.
Yeah, I think that fits better, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So put that on there now. Yeah, nice.
It's a John job. There's the skewers.
Yeah, they look really good.
They are already char grilled, so.
They are, yeah. And then we've got some Chinese wings as well. Well, obviously I'm going to tell my family that I'm coated and marinated.
Okay, editing time.
Yes, everything all sorted. Everything all ready for your barbecue. We're having coffee.
Shameless plug, but we're editing members only videos. So if you do want to become a member, you can do that there or there.
Yeah.
Probably there. I don't know.
Well, this is the easy one because it doesn't take much editing at all.
It's a nice chat.
Yeah. So yeah, if you're not a member, you're not going to see this. So if you want to see it, become a member.
But obviously you don't have to.
Absolutely not. No. I think it might be someone's birthday.
It might be. I got some chocolates. I got these a while ago and we've been keeping them.
For special.
For special. So we're going to have some chocolates. John's going to have a cup of
Coffee.
Yes. And we're going to watch Ryan and Hayley from yesterday.
Absolutely.
So that later we can watch Ryan and Hayley from today.
Yeah, we went out last night. So yeah, we got back quite late. So we missed a day.
Yeah, we were going to watch it when we got back, but I just couldn't because it was so late. But yeah, we're going to do that quickly before... Well, not quickly. Now, the donations bit at the end of their videos.
Well, we don't have to watch that version though. We can miss out until tonight.
Yeah. Half an hour. Then I think John's fam get here. And then it's barbecue time.
The discussion will turn to France because they can France with us. Amazing.
Yeah, and it's so soon.
4 weeks tomorrow. That's what it is.
Gosh.
And
I haven't even thought about packing or anything. Have you?
Well, we just edited that our members only video.
Yeah.
And we were saying how quick time goes, so 4 weeks nothing.
Yeah.
So
we really should start thinking about it.
Yeah. Right then.
Right then.
Oh yeah. I can do that. Me sat here drinking my decaf all day.
Goodbye. It's been a good ride, old friend. Next I got dressed for Alaskan weather.
John's barbecue set up. And then the actual barbecue fire pit thing. And it's true. He's cutting the carrot cake.
I shouldn't be trusted with things like this. I was going to cut this in 5.
He's got lines on it where you should cut it. Yeah. You're not getting any. What are you doing, you? Oh my goodness, that was so fun.
What a day. Well, I don't know where a day's gone. It's gone back to that. Where's the time gone again?
Yeah, but it was really fun, wasn't it?
It's been amazing. Yeah, it's been lovely.
Yeah.
We had a chat. We played some card games. Yeah, we had a nice carrot cake. And yeah, it was lovely. The day just went really quick.
We learned some new games too.
We have.
We played cheat or liar or whatever you call it in your household.
I don't call either of them.
No.
I let you decide what I call it.
Yeah. But that was a lot of fun.
It was, yes. It was a lot of fun because now we all know a new game is really for fun.
And I got the coolest book for my birthday. Yeah. So thank you, Tracy, Ali and Jade. But it's called Hidden Britain, and it's got like loads of tunnels and like places, abandoned places, and unknown passageways. That's what it said.
That's awesome. And abandoned houses would be amazing.
Yeah, so it's got like different places, like this one in Norfolk, and it tells you all about it.
Yeah.
And when I first opened the page, it was somewhere near us as well. So
it was, yeah.
That was really weird that that happened. But when we go to like castles and stuff, I don't know if you've noticed, but I love finding out like the story.
Yeah.
So it tells you all about that.
That's amazing. And we love a ghost story.
Yeah.
I think we mentioned it loads of times, but on our wedding, they done a ghost story of where we got married. And yeah, Tracy, my sister, obviously remembered stuff that and then got that.
But it's not like the normal history stuff, it's like the scandalous stuff it says. And it's got pictures and maps.
It is awesome. And then some weird, I don't really know what
I got some, a glow recipe, it's like facial stuff. So it's got, I did that the first time I opened it as well. But it's got lots of travel-sized minis in there to use. So it's got a lotion and elixirs and creams. And
awesome.
This is well, look how cute they are. In the this one does not want to be in there. But a moisturiser. I'm really excited. And they smell really good. And I've heard really good things about them. So I'm excited to be able to try them.
That's your first grocery present you opened.
I know. I feel really naughty opening them. But I think Tracy wanted me to, didn't she, so?
She was excited for it. I think she knew you were going to love that book.
I really love the book.
I
love that too.
She phoned me up and said, do you think Emma will like it? Yes, I'm like, absolutely, you should love that, yeah.
It's one of those books as well that I don't know if I necessarily would have picked this up myself, which is good because I'm really excited to read it. And
that fit with all the other books from the shelf, what's amazing.
And I've said I've been wanting to read more like non-fiction? Yeah, non-fiction books. So, especially like about places that are near us, that's so cool.
Absolutely. So now we just have to put things away. I mean, most of the food went, to be fair.
Yeah,
we done really well. Everyone was squeezing all day.
Not the carrot cake. That's not gone yet.
No. More of it went than I thought it would, if I'm honest. What's fantastic. Now we have got walk Chloe. He's really tired. He had a busy couple of days.
Yeah.
But I'll walk him, and then we'll probably chill out.
Actually, I know that we've mentioned this in the last couple of videos, but there's another Ryan video out.
Yes.
And then we can chill out after we've.
Absolutely.
Well, that's chilling.
That is chilling. Yeah. It must be the second one to finished.
Yeah.
That's got to be one. Is this one and one more maybe?
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
Because then I'm back to work after that.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's worked out perfectly.
Yeah. So that's the plan tonight.
It is so random.
Living room picnic.
Living room picnic. We've
Love
got Chris and dip and then Korean chicken. And look at Louis thinking, this is food those are things that wouldn't fit in the freezer.
Yeah.
And this is crisps that we've got.
And we've been eating all day, just been like glazing, cooking. So I think I'm happy with it.
Yeah.
We got a rosy wine chilling in the fridge for a minute.
Mm-hmm.
And yes.
And Ryan and Hayley are staying at a castle and I'm jelly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
This is how we do a birthday.
Yeah, this is how we roll.
Rock and roll.
How is the chicken? We've been watching TV.
We have, yeah. It's been a nice chilled evening, really.
Yeah, which I think we both needed.
Yeah.
I think I might have caught the sun a
just
tiny
a bit.
Yeah. I don't even think it was that hot. But...
It was warm. I didn't think it was that sunny.
Yeah.
That's mad.
So that's on me.
It's been an awesome day though.
Yeah.
Again, the time has just flown by.
Yeah.
What is it? 11 o'clock or so now?
Yeah.
I don't understand time no more. It's been an awesome day. It's your birthday tomorrow. Actual birthday tomorrow. What's good? What means you can wake up and have presents tomorrow. What's amazing.
Yeah, I'm going to read a bit of my book before bed, I think.
Cool.
I don't know what order the vlogs are coming out in, so I don't know if you saw this one before. But I've had an absolutely fantastic day today.
Good.
I'm a bit sad that tomorrow is my last day off and then I have to go back to work.
It's only a short week, only a 3-day week for you.
Yeah.
So it is a short week.
Yeah. So.
What's good. And then it's 3-4 weeks until France. So yeah, amazing.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. We need to start getting ready for that, don't we?
Absolutely, yes.
Yeah, but we wanted to come back and say thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification, and we'll see you in the next one.
Absolutely, thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.